How you guys doing today? This is Alex with Auto Key Security Services. Alright, this right here is a twice module for a 2002 Saab 9.3. Alright, I came in, no start, I had no communication with the twice module. When I opened it up, looked at it, the customer didn't say nothing about that somebody made a key for it. So when I opened this up, the processor, this processor, instead of pin 1 being right here, it was rotated. It was over here. That's why I didn't have no communication. So I just soldered the processor onto XProg. I read it. I got a good read on it. That's the car's VIN number. So the processor did not get fried. It still retained the information. And now I'm gonna go ahead, save the file, and might as well just walk you through it. Let me save as. Let me save this. Let me just save it. Desktop. Where do I usually keep my stuff at? This is all over the place. Let me just put it with VVDI Prog because that's where I usually save stuff. I'm gonna make a new folder. New folder. Saab 2002 9-3. Save that. Go in here. Save that as Saab 9.3. Save it. Alright, got my information saved right here. Then we're gonna go over to Tango. Give me 1 second, let me get my Tango is over here. I'm gonna hook up Tango. Now we're gonna open up Tango. Car model. Saab 9.3. I'm gonna select, it's not a 99, but it's still the same processor, the HC05. I'm gonna load my file. Where was it at? Desktop. VVDI Prog. Saab 9.3. Saab 9.3. Okay, it has two used keys. I'm gonna, what does this use? This uses a T5. I don't have a T5, but I do have a super chip that I can generate. Give me 1 second. Let me see. There's all keys, and we all have a junk room and we deal with all this stuff. There goes VVDI Prog, VVDI MB2, VVDI 2. There goes the MB2 right there. Just give me 1 second. Here goes a super chip. I have to turn this into a T5. Give me 1 second. I left my bag up here. This is my go bag right here. Give me 1 second. That right there is the Autel IM608 Leashy picks. Got a whole bunch of those. Alright, let's do this. A lot of people don't walk the whole process through. I don't know why. That's the only way somebody that's trying to learn will actually learn. I'll go right here. I'm gonna go to special functions. BVDI special transponder. No, it's not there. Generate transponder. There it goes. Change mode of BVDI super chip. I'm gonna make a T5. I know I saw T5 around here before. No, I've seen it before. Well, I know T5 is 13, so I've seen it here somewhere, man. But let's try this out anyway. If not, I'll just do it a separate video. 1 second. Hit generate. Generate successfully. And let me see if Tango likes that or not. 13. I don't think he likes it. Error to write. Oh man, I wanted to continue this video. I have a T5 transponder somewhere. I have a couple actually. It's just I don't have it on hand for this video. Oh, sorry I didn't go through the whole process, but I have to go look in the truck for the T5. There's somewhere. I got like 10 or 20 of them somewhere. Well, that's the process. You open, well, this is, it went down as an error, but when it actually goes through, you generate a new file. Let's just put Saab key 1 and save it. And now this file that it created, I'm not gonna write this one back because I know it's the transponder is not the correct one, but this file right here, you would write it back to the Freescale processor, and then solder it back on, and job done. But I am gonna have to go find a T5 transponder, and let me see if it. Oh, this doesn't even have to actually see if it was like the other brands. You could check if this transponder is actually to this file. But anyway, if I find a T5, I'll probably just add it to the end of the video. If not, anyway, this is the process. Remove the processor, read the data, put a T5 right there, open it up, select the key, and hit write. And then after it's done doing what it has to do, you you save a new file that it generates, and the file that you saved, you write it back to the chip, solder the chip on, and job done. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me. A lot more videos coming. Thank you. Bye.